Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Box Blast not opening on iPhone or Android. If Block Blast won't open and closes immediately or stays stuck, this is usually a temporary app or a system issue. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and then fully close the app, then reopen it. After that you're going to open it. If it still won't open, just go ahead and restart your phone. This clears background process that can block the app from launching. Next, head over to your app store and search for Block Blast and then see if you have updated your app. If the app or your phone iOS is outdated, Block Blast may refuse to open, so make sure to update your app to the latest version. After that, make sure you have enough free storage. Low storage can stop games from launching properly. If none of that works, go ahead and long press on the Block Blast screen and icon and click remove app, then delete the app. To reinstall it, go to the app store, search for Block Blast and then reinstall it from there. After that, you're going to, as long as your progress is synced, it should restore after reinstalling, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.